Got it. Alright, I'm playing my bass. It's working great. I go for an F sharp. Amplifier's vibrating. It vibrates worse. It vibrates louder than the note. I step on this side of my PB Viper VIP2. Sounds fine. Sounds fine. Sounds fine. Does not sound fine. Don't know why I didn't come. Don't know why that song's in my head. Don't know why you won't come on. Alright, bring over the power cord. What could possibly go wrong?
Okay, so it was buzzing a ton and I took it apart once like a couple of years ago. I couldn't figure anything out, but something was buzzing in the circuit board and that's beyond me, so I put it back together. Got a little tired of it, thought I might save myself some trouble and buy a new amp, and then I thought why not save myself some money and keep this amp and just try and fix it. So I took it apart to make a video of what was wrong, and apparently nothing's wrong and now it works great. And that is just one more example of how nothing in life makes any sense.